Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a revolutionary new technology that could potentially make electric vehicles obsolete. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to discuss an engine that is better than an EV engine. Electric vehicles have been touted as the future of transportation, and for good reason. They are environmentally friendly, have lower maintenance costs, and are much quieter than traditional internal combustion engines. But what if I told you there was an engine that could potentially replace the electric motor? This engine is called the Hydrogen Internal Combustion Engine, or HICE for short. And as the name suggests, it uses hydrogen as its fuel source. So why is the HICE better than an electric motor? Well, for starters, hydrogen is much more energy dense than batteries. This means that a hydrogen fuel cell can provide a much longer range than an electric vehicle on a single charge. Plus, refueling a hydrogen car takes just a few minutes, as opposed to hours for electric vehicles. Another advantage of the HICE is that it emits only water vapor, making it completely emissions-free. This is a big deal, especially in areas with high levels of pollution. But perhaps the biggest advantage of the HICE is that it can be used in existing infrastructure. Unlike electric vehicles, which require a massive overhaul of the current power grid, the HICE can be fueled using existing gas stations with minor modifications. So, the HICE offers a lot of advantages over electric vehicles, but it's not without its drawbacks. For one, the production of hydrogen is still largely dependent on fossil fuels, which is a big problem if we want to reduce our carbon footprint. However, efforts are being made to produce hydrogen using renewable sources of energy such as wind and solar power. Another challenge is the cost of producing hydrogen fuel cells. Currently, they are quite expensive to produce, which makes the cost of a hydrogen car much higher than an electric vehicle. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of the HICE are too great to ignore. With the right investments and technology advancements, we could see a future where hydrogen-powered cars are the norm. And who knows, maybe in a few years, we'll be driving around in hydrogen-powered cars that are even more efficient and environmentally friendly than electric vehicles. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.